Have you ever gotten up to give a presentation and you started out with what you think is a good icebreaker and it goes something like this? So, who's ever gone camping? Anyone camping? It's because you haven't effectively broken the ice. And whether or not it's because you have a shy crowd or not, breaking the ice is the first step to getting your audience engaged and interacting with whatever you're looking to present. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 tools that you can use to go ahead and effectively break the ice and get your audience to open up to you. It's Mitchell with AhaSlides, helping you win crowds over easier. Now for those of you that like to live dangerously or live on the edge, one of the best and funniest ways to get your crowd to immediately open up and interact with you is to share an embarrassing story. But that raises a question. How do we get a potentially shy crowd to share their embarrassing stories in front of a group of people? Do it anonymously. With AhaSlides, we have the tools that allow your audience to submit their embarrassing stories anonymously through their cell phone. Those stories can then pop up in your presentation so that you can share them with the crowd and everyone can laugh without potentially embarrassing people. Maybe sharing an embarrassing story isn't your cup of tea, or maybe you want something that's gonna get the audience up and moving. Either way, the spinning wheel is an incredibly versatile tool. Just load the spinning wheel up with questions or even physical activities that you would want your audience to participate in, give them the opportunity to spin the spinning wheel, and go ahead and act out or answer whatever it lands on. This is great if you have a group of people and you want them to get up and vote, possibly go to 4 corners of the room, which is something we talked about in a previous video, link up here. Or you want to go ahead and have questions about funny details relating to your meeting, you can add those to the spinning wheel as well. And ultimately, the spinning wheel offers you, the creator, more control over what activities and what information gets shared in your next meeting. Maybe it's your 4th Zoom meeting this week, and you don't want your audience to share embarrassing stories or get up and do jumping jacks. In that case, a pop quiz is the perfect way to quickly break the ice at your next meeting and start the meeting with more engagement. Pop quizzes are simpler for you, the creator, to make ahead of time, and for the audience members, they can be easy and fun. Pop quizzes can be about anything from favorite types of food to possibly how well they know a new coworker that just started. Either way, AhaSlides makes it simple for you, the presenter, to create and implement a pop quiz. Now, if you want to do this in your next meeting, go ahead and check out our detailed blog post with step-by-step written instructions in the description down below. And until next time, it's been Mitchell with AhaSlides, helping you win audiences easier.